In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma MG2522 printer. Now switch on the printer and take your new ink cartridges. So remove the seals. Now open the ink chamber. Wait for the ink cartridges to move and come to one side. Now the ink cartridges are here, so press it down and you can simply take it out. To install, you can use the new ink cartridge. So just slide it in and push it in. Automatically it will lock. So slide and push. You need to hold the printer with the other hand, otherwise the printer will go back. Now close this lid and wait for the printer to start, and we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.